कंप्लेंट दिया है कि किस तरह से आपने क्या एक्शन?
हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के जितने भी करप्शन के एलिगेशंस है और जो क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स के साथ जो अन्याय हो रहा है और जो बीसीसीआई दिए सो पैसे का दुर्विनियोग खा जा रहा है, उसके बारे में जो हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के अध्यक्ष और उसका 5 जनों के ऊपर जो केस बना है और कुछ लोग अंदर है, कुछ लोग फरार है। और हमने ये जो अध्यक्ष है उनको पहले से क्रिकेट से कोई नाता नहीं। उन्होंने एक परसों तक जो सत्ता में थे केसीआर के फैमिली के एक उनका कल्वाकुंट्ला कविता और केटी रामाराव, कल्वाकुंट्ला तारक रामाराव, जो इन लोगों का बनाया हुआ पुतला है। उन लोगों ने उनके अधिकार का उपयोग करके उनका सरकार का सत्ता उपयोग करके उन लोगों को ये करके बैठाया गया अध्यक्ष है उन्होंने, और ये लोग अनड्यू एडवांटेज उसके साथ ले रहा है। और जो अंदर गया है इसका विस्तार से जांच होना है, हम ये मांगा है। और इसके जो स्क्रीन पे है उनको अरेस्ट करे है, जो स्क्रीन के पीछे है और अपना ताकत से इनको बनाया है और उसके आधार पर इसको हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन से अनड्यू एडवांटेज लेके उसको अपने कब्जे में रखा है, उन लोगों को भी इस दायरे में लाना है। ये हम मांगते हुए सीआईडी को इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए दिया है। जो मैनिपुलेशंस हुआ है उसके आधार पर केस आप जांच इसमें आकर इसका जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके जो इसमें जुड़े हैं, जो पैसे किधर गए हैं, जो बीसीसीआई दिए सो पैसे और आईपीएल मैचेस खेलने के आधार पर इनका जो फीस मिलता है उसका पैसे जो क्रिकेट के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं किया और क्रिकेट ग्राउंडों के लिए इस्तेमाल कर नहीं किया और बॉल्स के लिए इस्तेमाल नहीं किया, तो वो पैसों को कहाँ गए उसका जांच करने के लिए हम ईडी के जो वो लोग सत्ता में आने से पहले ही 144 केसेस एसीबी केसेस का है, केसेस हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन पे है। तो उसके आधार पर ये लोग इसमें हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन को अपने कब्जे में ले लिया है, उसको आधार बनाते हुए और उस पर अपना पाँव जमाया अनऑफिशियली तो जमाते और इसमें अपना कोई अपना केटीआर अपना साला को टिकट बेचने का एजेंसी दिलाया और किसी को कैटरिंग का दिलाया और ये लोग इसका सत्ता चलाया है। उसमें जो ऑटोनमस बॉडी है उसमें अपना सत्ता पाँव जमा के सत्ता चलाया है और उसके दुरुपयोग करा है अपना खुद गर्ज।
See, originally, as everybody knows, Hyderabad Cricket Association has got issues with the irregularities and selection process and many things, not giving fair opportunities to cricketers. That's why TCA has been actually working hard and fighting against HCA, and then that's why now recently we came across such an information that the president elected was not qualified to become president. Hence, we demanded that election be null and void, declared null and void. There are cases filed in Bombay High Court and Hyderabad High Court also. One is to conduct proper investigation on them and rusticate them, and the other one is to give us membership by either by implementing the BCCI order to collaborate as they given in 2021, or by eliminating them from the system and setting up a clean system where we will come in. But eventually what happened is recently we came across such information that by forged document this person has become president of Hyderabad Cricket Association who doesn't know cricket at all. How is it possible in such a big system where a person who doesn't know cricket, who does not belong to cricket fraternity at all, becomes a president and runs the show effectively? There should be some system or some set of people who will be helping from inside, and there should be people in power who helped him to become president, must be helping from the behind. So we wanted the agencies, CID as well as the ED, to investigate into the assets amassed by these people, the set of people who were in power, playing directly or indirectly for the last 10 years. And pertaining to those people who are involved in crimes for the last 10 years, are also involved in the backdoor operations and helping the present committee here. That's why we wanted all these people to be investigated, and we submitted representative to ED as well. We submitted a representative to CAD as an additional representation to the existing investigation which is going on to CAD as well. So expecting hopefully they will do proper groundwork and investigate, and they will start initiating the action.
You also mentioned former minister KTR and his sister. What is the role of this?
See, during their tenure running the government, all the sports portfolios were controlled by them, including cricket. So there are evidences, there are instances where Kavita and KTR are involved directly or indirectly in cricket administrations. It takes a long time if you explain, but there are a couple of instances. I'll tell you, the day the president was elected, he openly declared that this election is dedicated to them, the Kavita and KTR and few others, because they helped and they supported him. There are evidences, that there are instances where the people, members of Hyderabad Cricket Club clearly told us that KTR and Kavita are calling all the people and influencing them to vote Jagan, and Jagan was paying money to them to vote. Just a lot of manipulation was going on. And he won with one vote. Winning with one vote, it always raises doubt, one vote. Where his election was itself was supposed to be null and void, that because he won with one vote, he himself is disqualified because the allegations and the investigation reports came out. We demand the election should be declared null and void immediately. Entire body should be declared null and void immediately, because those decisions taken under the presidency of Jagan Mohan Rao are supposed to be null and void. They cannot be, they cannot continue in the office anymore, and thorough investigation should go in, because a lot of money laundering, fudging was happened. As we know, BCCI sent them 171 crores in last 2 years, and we want to know what happened. And people who were in office previously, who were involved in crimes, are helping them. They're playing hand in glove now. There are several hundreds of crores sent by BCCI previously in last about 8 to 10 years. They all need to be looked into, because a set of group people who were hand in glove with the people in power for all those 10 years, we came to know that they are playing from the back end. So we requested ED as well as CAD to investigate into that.